Well, these are the scenes. So once again, from the old Rajendra Nagar, less than 48 hours from the unfortunate death that transpired here in this Rouse IAS Studies Circle on Saturday, Delhi Police and MCD have now swung into action much after much efforts of the student community here. And lo and behold, you see bulldozers out on the streets, and the MCD is breaking all the footpaths and the pavements that were made, which basically stopped the rainwater from evenly distributing during the rainy season, the rainy spell that we had here. Whether it is a cosmetic move or whether it is a permanent fix that Delhi Police and MCD have resorted to, we'll have to wait and watch. We'll have to speak. We'll be speaking with the students here who have been witnessing what has been going on. I have with me my colleague as well from One India, Keshav Karn, and flanked with faces and voices who have been camping here for the last 48 hours. So, ma'am, you have been here for quite some time now. You're carrying a newspaper also. What the action that has been taken? Are you happy with it?
Myself, Jyoti Singh, and firstly, I am in pain and grief, and literally right now I am in huge anger, I would say.
Okay.
And I want to express and I want to convey my message that after losing these three lives,
Yes.
they now they have come into action. And now MCD and MLA and mayor and concerned authorities of these localities and this area, now they have started taking action after taking life of three students.
Right.
Means we will have to pay our life. For
Are you happy
doing
with the action?
reform at ground level.
Right. Okay. But are you happy? Are you satisfied? At least the demand has been met that these illegal encroachment has been broken. Is that okay? Or do you need more? The students are they demanding more action?
We are not satisfied.
Okay.
Totally not satisfied. Why we are not satisfied here? Because means you are trying to create here rumors. You are taking action. You are spreading through your paper
Okay.
press, but at ground level you are doing nothing.
Okay. Okay. So
This is not going to work in long term. You are
Right.
you are trying to appease in short term. Take some prompt action which will work in long term.
Right.
And we are
Not
not
short
here to get
Absolutely.
from your this propaganda.
I get your point. Please stay with us. I understand the students are basically not happy, it appears, with the little action that the MCD and Delhi Police taken. How do you see this action that is going on
So
here?
this action is taken after the major consequences. This should happen before the arrangements, before the construction. How can they give the agreements and legislations before the construction? We have lost many lives. There are around 26 to 25 figures. They are only saying 3. How they give the permissions to this? Students are living in basements. They are studying in basements. They have illegal permission. People have problems related to motor. Everything is just stuck up here. Everything is not going in a way. Now they are doing the when the consequences has happened. This was supposed to happen before this. They have lost lives. What about their parents? We are students. We pay so much of the fees. They make agreements about when you pass, you will have to display your name in our institute. But why don't they give us the security that you will be safe with us? You will be there with us for the whole time. You are safe here. Why is this not assured given to our parents that your students are safe?
Right, absolutely.
And why no objection certificate they give? And secondly, I would say why MCD passed these all illegal in
First
things.
of all, MCD,
And why-
all the students are saying that it
Why
is
library is running in this basement? Is this illegal? They have been made for commercial purpose, not for a studying purpose.
Which part of the country do you come from?
I come from Bihar. I was born in Bihar, but my education has been done in Bokaro and Ranchi.
For these students, a lot needs to be done, and this cosmetic move that Delhi Police has resorted to as of now by breaking the pavements and footpaths, I think and I believe that the students are demanding much more than this.
At
This
least we
Pang-
need awareness from the media for the students who are unaware about this. We aren't aware about this clogs, water logging system, the basement things. We are new. We are not from this town. We come from different cities, different towns. We aren't aware about this. We weren't knowing that basement we can study also. We can live here. We were living in basements. We don't know that it is secured or not. We don't know the water logging system. The wires are hanging. You can see here everywhere the wires are logging. If we step, we are dead. We don't know where our death is written because of this, because of their misbehavior. We don't know when we will be alive or when we will be dead. This is very, very ridiculous behavior of Delhi government.
This is very horrifying.
We got your point. Thank you so much for speaking
Yes,
to us.
thank you so much.
You have made your
We
point
accept-
and
we propose you that please spread awareness for the students who are there.
definitely
We can
that's
only
what
expect this from media now.
One India is all about. Thank you so much, Jyoti.
From here, I want to convey one very valuable message.
Mm-hmm.
There is nexus between power,
Right.
politics.
You guys are future bureaucrats, I would say, and this is understood by now. If you haven't risen up to this or woken up to this reality, ये हर जगह है, ये गोरख धंधा है. हमें इसके बियॉन्ड देखना होगा. हम यहाँ पर जितनी भी हाय हाय मुर्दाबाद जिंदाबाद करेंगे, कुछ नहीं होगा. It gets lost into politics.
We
Why
need a
I'm saying so?
solution.
We need a solution, and solution comes from top down approach.
तीन
लेकिन
लोगों
चलिए.
की जानी जाएगी तो एमसीडी आएगी.
बहुत बड़ी बात है,
वोट
बहुत
बैंक
बड़ी-
के लिए आएंगे.
बिल्कुल.
एमपी अपना फेस दिखाएंगे, मेयर अपना जारी करेंगे ऑर्डर,
बिल्कुल.
इंक्रोचमेंट हटाएंगे, बेसमेंट हटेगा.
This is only for
फिर
7
ये
8
सब
days. उसके बाद सब normal हो जाएगा, सब
चलेगा.
कुछ
मुझे लगता है
हमें
आपको-
पढ़ना, GS पढ़ना, हम यहाँ धरना के लिए
नहीं बैठे हैं, लेकिन वोट जो दे रहे हैं उन लोग को नहीं बुला रहे हैं. उनको कौन रोकेगा?
जिनको वोट दे रहे हैं, जिनके लिए हम टाइम देते हैं, जिनके ऊपर हम भरोसा कर रहे हैं, हमें कौन रिप्रेजेंट करता है? हमारे एमपी एमएलए रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. आज कहाँ है वो लोग? वो एसी में बैठे, हम क्यों प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? हमारे राइट्स कहाँ गए?
वैल्यूएबल जो 3 देश का भविष्य एड्स जो लॉस किए हैं हम लोग, उनका भी लास्ट ख्वाहिश डिजायर यही रहा होगा कि पढ़ लेते हैं, पता नहीं पानी आ रहा होगा या नहीं आ रहा. हम अपना टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करें? ये शायद रूमर्स हो सकता है, हम पढ़ लेते हैं 4 लाइन. यही टेम्परामेंट रहता है इधर.
समझ गया ज्योति, मैं बिल्कुल समझ गया. जिस राज्य से आप लोग आ रही हैं, जिस प्रदेश से आ रही हैं, महाराष्ट्र, बिहार, झारखंड, these are some of the biggest states that send a lot of students here, and now obviously who will worry about them? Thank you so much, Jyoti. Point is taken. This is once again Pankaj Mishra signing off from Old Rajendra Nagar with video journalist Furqan.
Don't miss out. Follow One India for real-time updates.